Okay, Lenovo D1 SSX. Install 360 Birdview parking camera, 1080p. Okay, 10.1 inch QLED. 360. Okay, this is 2D version and a 3D version. 2D and 3D touchscreen control. Different angle. Okay, go to setting. Setting. Okay, you can select vehicle, car model, okay, select color, angle mode, okay, click save. Angle adjust. Okay, you have to calibrate your setting. Set password 2468. Okay, first got 6 different close for angle adjust. You have to choose it. Okay, and do a vehicle parameter setting. Calibrate. The size 4.4 or 4.8 meter. Okay, you have to choose a camera type 6053 2239 1080p and check your car model, car leg and car width. Follow the instruction. So you choose the size. You have to check the size, your car size. Okay. Okay, then select the icon. You have to choose back, set back the 8 point. Okay, set the rear camera point. Total got 8 different camera setting. A left camera. A right camera setting, right hand side camera, Okay, press the calibrate. So calibrate done. Okay, so this is 360 1080p setting for Lenovo D1 SSX. Sample for Toyota Viewfire Alphard NH30 2016 onward. Right hand side camera. Front camera. Left hand side camera. And a rear camera. The distance for the close with the car, 1 feet. Lenovo D1 SSX, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, 8-core processor, QLED screen, screen resolution 1280x720, support Full HD and Full HD video direct playback, support 4G SIM slot, DTS sound system output, 4DX Band DSP, HDMI video output. Buy one piece. Thank you.